In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a dog from choking to death. It could save their life. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. First, you want to assess the situation. If they're gasping, if they seem frantic, or if they can't cough. They're trying to clear out whatever's irritating it. That means that their airway is completely blocked and they're not getting any oxygen. So the first step is going to be opening up the airway. You're going to open up the dog's mouth and you're going to look inside. Sometimes you lions be able to see it and you lions be able to take your finger and very gently. But you do have to be careful here because you do want to push it further down the throat. This can actually puncture the esophagus and cause even more of a problem. The Heimlich maneuver is something that we commonly associate with humans doing. And when you're doing the Heimlich maneuver on a small dog, you're going to be pushing towards your own stomach. But you are going to do that 5 to 10 times until the object is dislodged, or on larger dogs, you're not going to be able to do it quite the same way. You're going to kneel behind its back and you're going to place your fist just behind the rib cage. And then you're going to push inward and upward towards the dog's head and your knees. So you're delivering kind of a thrusting motion. You're still doing that 5 to 10 times or until the object is dislodged. Let it happen. If you're still unable to dislodge the object after performing the Heimlich maneuver, but before we do that, we're going to want to check if the dog still has a pulse. If you feel a pulse, keep doing the Heimlich maneuver. But if the dog doesn't have a pulse, we're going to perform rescue breaths. The first thing you want to do when you are going to perform rescue breaths is you want to seal the mouth. So close the mouth completely. You want to extend the neck slightly. You want to cover the dog's nose with your mouth and you're going to exhale until you see the chest rise. After the chest rises, you're going to release the pressure and allow the lungs to deflate. If the dog does start breathing on their own, you're done. That's all you need to do. But if the dog still does not have any breath, if the dog doesn't start breathing on their own and you feel a pulse, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. When you're performing CPR on a dog, you're going to start with chest compressions. You're going to place your hands around the circumference of the chest and you're going to compress the chest. If the dog is too big, you're going to place your hands on the widest part of the chest. So this will be either on the side or on the breastbone. You're going to want to aim for about 120 compressions per minute. After every 30 compressions, you're going to give to rescue breaths. So you remember the ABCs from when you were a kid? Airway, breathing, circulation. We've tried to get whatever was obstructing it out. So we've given the dog breaths. If the dog loses a pulse during CPR, that's okay. Keep doing chest compressions. You should never use a human defibrillator on a dog. So always wait for the veterinarian to use their equipment. We've made it to step number 5. We've begun CPR and we've been performing chest compressions. I know it's really scary, but you have to stay calm. Your dog's life depends on you and your ability to perform chest compressions. After a while, your arms will get tired and you have to keep going until the dog is either breathing on its own or the veterinarian is able to get a heartbeat. Finally, once you've done everything you can, the next step is going to be taking your dog to the veterinarian. Even if it seems like everything is fine, you still need to take your dog to the vet. There are a lot of things that could have happened. There could be swelling in the throat. There could be blood in the throat. There could be something lodged in the esophagus. You can't and truly know. Even if your dog does end up being fine, I would recommend going to the vet. It's better safe than sorry. I've seen plenty of dogs come through the hospital who seemed fine. Choking is a very serious emergency. It is a life-threatening emergency. But if you know what to do and you prepare yourself, you can potentially save your dog's life. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video and you learned something new. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I post new videos. Also, please give this video a like because that helps my channel and it lets me know that you guys like this type of content. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please share this video with anyone you think needs to see it. Have a great day.